What's up guys, and today I'm making a video just for fun, and I haven't made a video in a while, so yeah. So yeah, what do you guys want to do? We could do anything. We could do anything. So yeah, I was just trying to just make a video because I haven't made one in a while. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay. 1 second. I'm going to show you how to make that noise. You want to have these 3 fingers, these tucked in like that. And you want to make a hole. See that hole? Put your thumb right there. Yeah, like that. Put your pinky out like that. And then you say, girl. See, girl, 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 girl. That's how you do it. Bye bye with the girl, girl, girl. Girl, 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 girl.